Antonia Lavender Properties. Today we're going to talk a little bit about staging, because staging and price can really make a difference when selling your home successfully. So sometimes a lot of people ask me, would I use a home staging company? And I most often recommend it. They're professionals and they do a fabulous job, as you can see, in decorating a home. However, I do have some tips, because sometimes it's not in your budget to do so. If you have a little bit of time and effort, you can make your house look absolutely fabulous and inviting to guests, so that they feel that they can see themselves in your home. Research has shown that the average sales price can go up 1 to 5% on staged homes. Today we're going to talk about some tips to make it easy and effortless to promote your house and get it on the market and sold fast. Decluttering. It is the most important thing that you have to do. And this requires a little bit of time and effort to put some things into the storage preferable. You can also use your garage space. Having your garage available for people to see the space is important, so consider a storage unit. When thinking about decluttering, you've got a lot of things on your kitchen countertops or your bathroom countertops that you can put away. And keep it nice and easy, simple, like this. This is just a little staged item here, a little bit of color accent. The fruit always looks great in a kitchen table. One of the things that I recommend a lot is sometimes our cabinet handles are a little bit dated. This is an easy and very inexpensive fix that you can do. I also recommend changing all the light bulbs to something brighter, so that your house looks a lot more airy and spacious and light. Another good tip that people forget is to have your windows professionally washed. That really makes a difference and allows your garden views and your outdoor views to just pop and look beautiful. Hi, briefly I'm going to talk to you outside about a clean pool, which is vital. If you do have a water feature, it must be clean. And also just lightening your furniture outside and making sure that your plants are pruned and your flowers look nice and bloom. I also recommend highly a welcome walkway for visitors that are coming to look at your house. Having fresh flowers planted there is really helpful to make people feel like this is a home that they'd like to come home to. A fresh coat of paint. I recommend neutral colors. This allows for a lot more light to come into the room, and it allows you to play with the color palette. As you can see, staging your home can be very easy. And with these tips, I hope it can be really helpful to you. If you like this channel and would like to have more information about selling or buying homes, you can subscribe to my channel below. For more information on this lovely home, and I thank the listing agent for inviting us in,